Anyway, Becca, please. Tico. What will start from right now?
And look, make we start from the left to the right to the left to the right.
We'll start with the love birds then.
Okay.
Where they don't know where they go, but they shall not see they did together. Angel and cross the boss. Not laugh that kind of laugh, yo. I see how they use laugh cover questions. Is they don't they cover question? Here you go answer. First of all, towards the end of the show, now it can't be like say you want this steady with cross. Really? Because from the beginning, you they fluctuate. You they try one test one boy to another, test one boy to another. Like again, where Michael warn you, no, don't try this with me. One at the party. If you want to try Michael, no, don't do this with me. Don't do this with me. Don't do this with the guy. Para caution. I know she say you notice you can't lay back, but towards the end.
Wait, when did he do that?
Now, okay, you forget.
I don't forget.
Now it's a party now. If like say they try use body to rub on one kind. That time you know they want this settle with Jackie B.
That's cap.
That's no, nah, you know what they talking about. But okay, that one at the past. Yeah. Right now, what to make you come settle with cross? Come be like so now want to get a team, something together.
Right now. Or
before
like,
the house, now not the house again, and I didn't the house.
Like at this moment.
No, during when you stay
house.
for the house.
Okay, sorry,
Let's say they wash your shoes, then when you come up for the house.
Okay.
Inside the house, yeah.
Yeah. Could you please repeat your question again?
Okay, why you can't later just settled, almost one settle with cross towards the end of the show? Come be like say I want to get something. Now come the kiss it come, romance it come tight, everything come tight. Okay, cross answer. Why you feel say you and Angel can blend towards the end of the show?
I think because basically, as the thing day now, the thing choke everywhere. Because people don't come out.
Yeah.
We don't reduce.
Okay.
And then we can't understand each other. We can't get each other vibe. So, and yeah, I don't really like her scenes, as I said. If you notice the show, I don't.
But
like
from your yarns, now be like say you not fair be our choice. Now when the people won't be our choice, come on, maybe she can't choose you. Now you mean?
That's not true.
Okay, but I ask you a question. You not great to us now. Yeah, what it be truth?
Okay, so
yeah.
Chris and I have always, had a connection. But like I said, I'm pretty adverse to
I bet Emmanuel, let me use mic. Make me over here with
when I realize that somebody likes me, I
Okay.
just detach myself. Plus, given the situation that we're in,
Yeah.
I mean, everybody was playing a game. So I didn't want to involve myself in a situation where I would come out of the house and I would be embarrassed.
And some you also be like say part of your strategy now just to flirt with almost all the guys because some use to want to talk or you talk and safe.
No, I didn't say that was my strategy. I said that was how I was outside the house, and I'm even worse outside.
Yeah, even worse.
It wasn't
outside.
a strategy. So yeah, like I said, we always had a connection.
Okay.
But I didn't want to build up on that because, like I said, given the environment,
One a day.
yeah, where we're in, and everybody was playing a game, so I didn't want to get into something that could probably, potentially work outside.
See, Angel, now
Yes.
Pigeon Station you did. Try
I don't want to enter anything.
Wait,
where
nah,
I feel like
no,
But you
come
kiss
that
the
our
thing now.
level.
You kissing happens, motion happen, and the rest.
I mean, yeah, it's the environment. Plus, like I said,
Yeah, no, the environment they mess up person mind. Do
and
understand?
Like
Yeah.
I talk, say we get connections, so
Okay.
it's normal. And again, our vibes they lit.
So outside the house right now, what any way forward?
I mean, we be friends.
Okay.
And we date friends for inside the house as well. So yeah, we're cool.
I just seen some movement outside the house where like say una shippers one make una run things together. Now, first of all, you get what they usually happen. Even when I not dey serious with una self, once una fall out because una get shippers, una will just want pretend to date together so that those shippers feel surprised una with plenty gift and the rest. Una they plan to pretend or una they plan to live in reality.
I don't think say Cross and I go fit ever fall out based off of say we get connection like I said before.
Yeah.
So we'll still always be cool and there's nothing to pretend. The connection is there and we be friends. So I don't know about pretending so that we can get.
A lot of other ones don't do them before. Now even this season self, they just got one so that made them feel collect the gift from the fan base when they ship them.
Yeah, but whatever.
No, that's true now. We not they hide. I don't want to mention names.
Whatever they say happen. Now reality, nobody want. I don't think say. I think both of us we they too busy to dey form anything it's money.
So if we see you now together, it go be real. Not be so now they pretend that. Cross, you agree with that?
Yes, 100%. Me, I don't get any time for that kind of rubbish. Yeah, if you already know, as we dey comot, I think the next day or the day, she don't really beef me, and she know they talk to me already. And now what she did? Now what she they do to today she go talk to you, tomorrow she no go talk to you, next month she go talk to you. Now her own way be that. So, but at the end of the day, I think 2 days ago or something, and eventually we spoke, and she told me why she was mad, and I apologized. And I'm the kind of person that when I know that I've done something wrong, I'll quickly apologize.
Especially when you don't drink alcohol, you can't speak English.
But the thing is, say sometimes cross with the boss, they do things where cross know they know. So at the end of the day, so you guys tell cross
like
the boss.
Like the day when we say you dance with young Queen. Now kids where Namazi they tell you say.
Take an easy.
You so say what happened last night.
You know, say in Queen they do those things in Central Night to Pepper Mazi. Abi you just want to enjoy the moment with Queen at that time.
But the thing we say, cross no.
But cross the boss no.
So cross the boss now. For money now, cross don't come back. So you know if you accuse them for waiting cross the boss do.
Cross, so they need to look for you beat. No, they need to look for cross the boss beat. Who they here right now? I want to know.
Not cross.
Not cross. So I need to look for cross the beat. I want beat him.
Beat him. Mazi guys beat him.
Cross the boss. I got another question for you. At that time, we say now they get to na Kanta, you and Angel, where she come bring food, come meet you. You never normally, they pray for food. But this time you bless the cooker. I be the cook of the food. You bless. You say God. You come to sign of the cross. But you actually think say she go feel put something for that your food. Where make you do sign of the cross and even pray for the cook.
I dey fear this. On God, I dey fear her because me and Angel go day together. Go bed, sleep for the same bed. Tomorrow morning.
You go coaching. You're through
face. For my mind, I go think, okay, I do something overnight where I don't know. So I go to come, they try to talk to cross the boss. Guy, wake up. What do you do?
At any point, cross the boss. Do something that he do with, and when he say they trigger that.
That's what I'm saying. That he doesn't tell me some things. He keeps things private sometimes.
Okay, so now when you don't know what he cross the boss do, at any point something happen when we say maybe hand waka go where you not supposed to waka go, now you come trigger your vest the next morning when cross the boss. Do not be cross or cross the boss.
No, nothing we do. Bed, we know the consensual. And to be honest, we don't do anything like that. Everything we do.
No, I like go with your first statement. Nothing we do inside the duvet. We
know they
consensual.
Yeah.
So anything when it happen, now agree to run.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
okay.
I wasn't upset.
Okay.
I know they upset at any of.
I mean, your strategy should they wake up in the morning they verse.
No, not be my strategy.
Because you not do what you supposed to do.
They do some things, but of course, no, they realize they do some things, and I know they too communicative, so I could just vex them myself.
Those things, I don't know if we highlight and small sharp before we move to the rest statement.
No, I like that. Thank you.
But since when I come outside, I don't do all those things since then.
No, you never get chance to talk like that. Based off of we get plenty media around, and we try, settle ourselves.
That means if for prayer, we should not get chance.
Maybe.
Oh wow!
All right, Pere, General, maybe come to you right now.
Welcome, General.
Pere, yes, please. All right, General. During your second week for the house, the listeners plus the viewers, they get another definition of who General Pere actually be. Probably because of that time, maybe say you win head of house matter. Maybe say at the same time you and Mazi at a point get one canter. So I want to make you describe yourself to the listeners right now, or the viewers. Maybe say they get another definition of who you be.
Okay. So first of all, as people just stay inside the house like that, from different places, different backgrounds, everybody get different personalities.
Yeah.
They easy to understand everybody because we don't know ourselves before.
Okay.
Just the meet. Friction go day, quantum must day. After the quantum, everybody gonna get idea. Okay, this person this person they like doing thing. Oh, this person this person do. You can't understand person small you can't go. But me naturally, I be very assertive person, and me naturally I did very easygoing normally. I did like for the most part, I did like avoid conflict. Because so I did like
you like what you avoid conflict.
I did like avoid conflict too. I did tell you the truth be say conflict it gets as conflict they make people feel. And it gets as conflict they go. If you know handle conflict well, if you escalate, and not be everybody get the smartness and the witness to take and the grit to handle conflict properly, so that makes it enough for escalate. So for the most part, I like avoid them. But where conflict could they unavoidable,
you already chest down.
Yeah, you already chest them.
You talking to me? You talking to me? What did you just say?
Continue.
And when conflict fit dey unavoidable.
Yeah.
At that moment, you ask, like you talk, you ask Chester. But normally, I know they like conflict.
Okay, a quick one right now, Pere. The Pere we will see at the beginning of the show. Now the real you, or now the one we'll see towards the end. Which one be the real Pere?
The two of them are the real me.
Okay, so I want to ask right now, at any point, okay, what will be your strategy when you enter the house?
So my strategy, I get strategy. My strategy be say I go like, portray the me when everybody know for outside. When my friends know for outside.
Okay.
My own thing, I know they like hide my feelings.
They like express yourself. You just
express myself.
Okay.
Now, I'll be human being. Most times we know they express ourselves in a perfect way when it be say go hurt other people.
Okay.
Sometimes I go express myself in a way when it be say if it's hot person and it go left for that person now to come tell me so this thing when you do as you don't like this, good.
Okay.
I go learn from her because I don't go know how that person go want make I approach them.
Okay.
If they do something when I don't like.
Okay, so just a quick one right now. If you come with your strategy, why you get problem with Whitemoney strategy for cooking? When you want to try, can't remove them from there. Because everybody come with strategy. So you can't counter somebody else's strategy. Can't be like say, okay, maybe not because you not really come with your own strategy.
Okay, so make I clarify that part.
Yeah.
Me, I know say me come with strategy.
Yeah.
Now brings it this one carries now go back to the statement when I make initially when I say you go need understand person. Me and Whitemoney, we don't understand ourselves. Same thing with other housemates when all of us first enter the house. We don't get that understanding of ourselves. So me can't feel say as in the kitchen, na strategy. But come to realize later on, the fact saying they cook not necessarily mean say it's strategy. But it na in strength. The guy enjoy cooking. He sabi cook. He enjoy cooking. So he in play on his strength. He rely on his strength to move forward, to progress. So looking from the outside as person we no can understand initially, me feels in a strategy. But down the road,
You can't understand.
So okay, this thing not necessarily means in a strategy, but he rely on his strength, which is what he enjoyed to do.
Okay.
And now he can use progress, the climb.
All right. For those who don't know, we did live right now on top IG at Naija 102 FM, and we get the top 6 of the Big Brother Naija with us inside the studio, and still no one come out from Pere yet because at a point, Liquor, Angel, I don't know the fourth person waiting for one conversation. We be saying that they get when they tell Angel say the way she deflect with Shena Boma or Michael. When we say at the end of the day, Angel can't really get angry with you for that discussion or conversation. Maybe say, Liquor, I don't know if you remember when they carry this conversation. I don't know the fourth person.
I remember the conversation.
Yeah, when you call it talk, saying so Pere they do blah 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 blah.
Oh, we need
I don't know the other people.
Nini did
Yeah, Nini did now. That time where vex for you.
Where you can't really vex for you.
Okay.
Yeah, I know saying that they get one kind of discussion. So you did surprise the kind reaction maybe say Angel gets towards that discussion, because now actually Liquor actually bring the conversation up, no be you, but it can't be like saying now you should come pour all our aggression and anger on top. You will expect that kind reaction from the talk. Okay.
I no expect at all. That day we just talk. And me, I know say Angel. I don't like put my mouth for Angel matter when we dey inside house because Angel no dey agree.
Coconut head, Abi.
Angel fit use her mouth finish you. So me I dey try avoid Angel to the max.
Okay.
That day, me and Angel don't first get our own small this thing before that day sef. So when Nini and Liquorose come dey talk, me just come say, it's true. I that's small thing when I talk about.
Then they come follow up.
AJ follow me,
But now they good down, Sha.
Of course.
So also you and Whitemoney they cool right now. I remember one thing when Whitemoney they always tell you, bro, outside this house we get life. When you come outside, you see things different. You don't see the things different now.
Of course not. No,
you don't clear for your eye.
To be honest, I can't get to understand Whitemoney well.
Yeah.
Down the road.
That reminds me. You get what you talk when one implicate the full Big Brother Naija. Say your person outside tell you say somebody outside, so the white money outside, so the white money person outside they give white money update. Then it take one thing suspect you say you be the white card at that time. So if you clarify that arrangement.
Oh, that's in my head. Now inside my head, they
not be say okay. So you don't get person outside when assist you come Big Brother. When you know person when assist white money come Big Brother.
That's in inside my head because the way white money just take they accurate with
He called it
like prophets where everything they come into fulfillment.
Yeah, you know, it just been in my head. I say just reasoning when they say
not be saying the actual thing.
No.
Okay, that's good. Before we come on, you get one last thing we want just balance because we move to Liquorose and Emmanuel right now. Pere, you and Maria don't talk since when you come outside the house.
Since when I come, I mean, we they see now. When would they do?
But I never talk.
I never call her for phone or Instagram. No.
So just to be clear, because the last time when Maria come here, say no, you not going to ever be friend with you again based on the revelation when you make cut. Then that revelation after Maria come out a week later, you say no, you're not really.
Say not just joke.
Not just jokey. So I wonder why you go come up with such an expensive joke. Say you and Maria under the duvet runs for certain things when you put on some you get me. You get me. So. Why you come up with that? Or now say it happened, but after a while, the
truth be say
change math.
No, nobody change math. But the truth be say, waiting. Hey.
So it happened.
I know they talk anything. Whether it happen, you don't concern anybody.
Because you know why? Because your yes right now go determine whether your friendship with Maria go get ahead.
See, the truth
because she was really hot with that your revelation.
First of all, I not even supposed to talk that kind of thing. You understand? I can't realize later.
But if you try proof point because I think the reason why you talk and I say every time you and Maria wake up in the morning, she go to act like say you and I not get rapport together. Meanwhile in the evening, now the way who you get me. So it can't be like say you try proof to your fellow husband. See, I don't understand this guy, this babe right now. See what me I had don't even do. Save. Wait here.
Bros, be worried.
That Edo boy.
No wonder. Okay, see, on
more clearer right now.
On a very candid level, Mariana a very nice person.
Okay.
Nah.
You see that Pere the
Go. Mariana a very nice person. Okay. Now, person when if you say she get brain well. You know, okay. I like the girl well. Like as a person, I like her personality well. Mo just leave her like that.
But you plan to apologize to her later?
I don't really. Apology. I don't attend that apology on live TV. I don't even attend that apology for inside Big Brother house. When we come outside, I don't.
Okay.
Yeah, now when we come to the lover bird.
The love bird. Emmanuel, welcome to Naija FM. Liquor, welcome to Naija FM.
Thank you.
Emma, Liquor. Now be the most loved up couple from the beginning to the end. You now maintain them. You would say along the line, can't be like say you deflect with somebody else. When it's say or go tell that person you deflect with her, you get. But first of all, before we reach our flirting arrangement, anything they true for an arrangement inside the house, I've been a strategy for you, Liquor. I've been a strategy for you. It might become one of the most used strategy inside Big Brother Naija in a relationship. The moment you start, people outside go to ship now. We want to make you stay. So I want more clear things right now. Any originality day inside that you won't see inside the Big Brother house, or it was just a play.
As you know, say my name is Emmanuel.
God is with you, Abi.
And God is love, and love is God.
Mama don't bring religion enter.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah, somebody.
No be strategy now. I fall inside house. Okay. Beauty attracts me, personality keeps me. Right now we do alright.
Beauty attracts you, personality keep you. I love
so
that.
everything they
Yeah, everything they alright.
The whole cuddling, the whole kissing, the whole
right. Everything they alright.
So now plan to continue from your side? You plan to continue that arrangement outside the house?
Any discontinuity yet? We do alright.
If you talk to
now, a few days though.
If you talk to now, go become the Teddy A and Bam Bam of this season.
Make you see us the good now. But right now we get things where we plan to with this platform where we get. So
okay.
Don't rush.
For the relationship arrangement.
Try achieve one or two things, but we do alright.
Okay.
Liquor,
all right,
was it
Liquor.
Yeah, it was real. I know even me enter the house, I don't even get planned. You know, even plan again. I might go there go entertain. Let me tell you something. I never get plans for say I won't even ship or anything.
Yeah.
So again, I never even plan them, and it happened. And we even just saw some moment go the ship us. So they never ship us for the house. They don't ship us. No, we are just cool and all of that. So. with time everything grow, it marinates, we like each other. We no fit hide so it ain't real, no be strategy at all from the side.
So before
I know
you enter the house, you begin existing relationship with you.
Which existing relationship?
I be asked, that's why you
they
begin
have.
existing relationship.
That's your questions they come, bro. So try to counter.
Okay, you be get girlfriend outside the house before you enter.
No.
What about you, Liquor? You be get somebody for your life?
No.
Nobody at all.
No, me I even don't sign out. I don't want even do anything relationship again. I don't sign out. So even when the thing happens, say I dey look and say, oh more, I don't want to do, but now see the be now. That manipulate on so I don't feel check out like that.
All
Yeah.
right. Liquor, waiting be the secret to you winning so many tasks in the house. We need to know. Waiting be the secret.
now you don't win. Okay.
In the support now. When person they tell you say, don't worry, you're winning it before you even enter. They boost morale too. But aside that, like me, I just like to put passion for anything I want to do.
Okay.
Even if I know Sabi and people with Sabi and they there, I go like assist or make them teach me my learn.
Okay.
And most important thing, I just want catch fun as I did do. That's always they talk. You win some, you lose some. But the winning now, did you enjoy the process? Now be for me. So sometimes we go win, I'll be like, how we take win now? Because people in their house where get talent. Like talent choke. This has a be write songs, can be compose song. Whitemoney, 2 seconds. I said I be write poem. If you see Angel poem, you go shake. Shake, you understand? You go see cross
but nobody
energy.
dance ratio now. Except cross where they rub here for body they dance with sweat.
People get energy for that. So now the secret be that just they enjoy them and they like put passion.
Okay, so sharp right now before we come up from our body side. Angel yarn something like say Emmanuel not really battle you. He just they use you they play because he does see him they fleet with 1 or 2 arrangements. So Angel, if you don't make that one clear before you make things clear too, what do you mean by say because even towards the end, when the last party after a party, you say me ma kiss you, I be man want kiss you or something. Now why money shout hey, run from the devil, run from God will bless you for that saving. So now based on your doings with Ima, you take notice say Inogbado Liquor, say he still want flex with other babes then.
I mean, I don't already talk say I don't think say like
The
that
mic.
first time we Liquor and I get one small fight with Beatrice day inside. But towards the end of the show, Liquor talk say she don't already know everything where they happen.
Between the 2 of them.
Not really between the 2 of me, but she said
Between the 2
something
of them.
say,
Yeah.
No,
say I deflect with Emmanuel.
No, I know saying they flirt with girls.
Exactly, and she
but if any other thing they, I know they are aware, but I know saying they flirt with girls.
Can you be okay with that arrangement as a babe?
As that revelation now
come.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, as that revelation now come, like as I hear the revelation, doc say she dey aware say he dey flirt with other babes. I can't free am now, but the reason why they talk am now based off of wetin I dey see. But she talk say she dey aware, so I just.
So why you be want me Emmanuel kiss with that Saturday?
I no ask her make you kiss me.
The way maybe not the alcohol.
No. Something now.
I no ask her.
One word. It be like say Emmanuel whisper to you at the dance floor.
It talks something.
Say make you repeat am.
Because it may repeat am.
Yeah, I no ask her make you kiss me.
So what do you whisper to your ear? No.
NSC 250. Now what you talk?
So at any point you feel say you dey flirt with other babes?
So flirting a very big word though. It's because they joke here, just they chill, they catch cruise. They call them flirting. When they calm down. That house na house of cruise. Flirting a very deep word. When they can go too far.
But if somebody when you be like say you talk say you dey flirt, I think you make clarification to Ranamo know where would they go now.
You say waiting.
It's okay. Angel say you understand, not change that. You dey try think, so you dey ask me waiting. Okay. So if somebody make that kind of yarning say, okay, see what you do. I think the best if you do not to make clarification to that because for Liquorose even say yes, he don't notice that means he clear say he himself don't know say you dey flirt with other babes.
So you know say at some point, me and Liquorose been get some kind agreement. Yeah. Say after people they talk say you just do your day, you know they chill with other people. No, come on, they catch your cruise.
So hold on. So the basic of a relationship right now, an agreement say make we do relationship side so that me not dey bored.
No.
Because
I keep coming.
Both of us understand our situation.
Yeah.
Then the girls come, she say, me, I did
You two they low key.
Exactly.
Emmanuel,
no,
mic like this.
They low key.
Yeah.
So me, I just try they just smart us day free and they cool. So I mean, I just vibe, I just cruise at the catch, but with the car and
With Liquorose, I be with every other person.
With every other female housemate.
So Liquorose, when to make you cry on that Saturday night?
Okay, before I might clarify that this time. I don't know say put and where.
Yeah.
Since even from the first, before I even get close to him, Nii even tell me say the guy they feel somehow say he no fits in for the house. Everybody carry talent and all of that. Saying they feel like I want to make me say I best now this guy be worker. She gets he always there someone. When we can start today, to the jollificate together. I not say always the complaint saying feel like saying they boring. Then you told me now. You tell me say them some girls for the house, them GMK and co. They tell you say they boring. Say now only me in the day with for the house.
They comfortable.
So my contacts I don't want cage you. I don't want him you. You understand? You remember, right? Do you remember now? So I don't want cage you. Do you understand? What can you do? What if you do for the house to make everybody stop you talk say you did boring? And it think on the affect them and I don't like them.
Okay.
Sure you understand. So I mean I not really there free time because if you say I just did with him, no I did shy. So you guys can't follow me talk for how they feel like that. So I want to say I'm gonna do anything you want to do. Talk more with the guys. The girls to talk with them. In fact, if it gets to you flirting with them, flirt with any girl so they go stop because they start say now only Liquorose no.
Okay.
And so if girls they talk like that, they want me you give them attention to. So give them that attention. Now it's say no fit. Do that cannot be in person. I say okay, I name you Black. So enter in the flirt, I know it's not Black the flirt with the girls, no be Manuel.
Okay.
Now where the name Black come out from with that.
Okay.
And that's how we agree. So anything aside that permission why I grant them, I know they are aware.
Okay.
But that's why when I would date the girls, they flirt with girls, I did okay with them because now me tell them say and that time the scenario can't change. People can't they see them from different.
Okay.
You can't they free with everybody.
So when they come make you
see
because sometimes
when you get liquor, you can't carry liquor.
Liquor general, no problem.
And again, me, I did very emotional all of that, and alcohol they trigger some kind of things. And I watch smoke. I don't want to watch them. I watch small. I can't see some kind of things talk. I don't date from some kind of relationship in the past where make me sign out. Now 2019 be the last relationship where I get. So I don't get heartbreaks even during from. That's why I did.
Okay.
Sometimes they tell me, they say you talk about your parents, your family,
why
your
you don't
dad.
talk about your
They're talking about your past relationship that they use. So once I just did like that, all those things they come out.
Okay, so I think I don't know. You use your whole abeg naira money to tell somebody may send you video.
BB token.
BB token, right?
Yeah.
So who be that particular? Sorry, I say Buka. AK.
Na artist name
na artist Coley.
Yeah.
So who be that? You say Bessie because the way you dey emotional and you can't go listen to her for private place. So who be that person?
But sure, and I watch him now. Coley na my one of my best friends actually.
Okay.
Yeah, it be like the way me and Coley be like he did different. Now my guy, do you understand? And we meet for industry. We meet for industry. He did among the first people who say okay.
And I know say in they support you where we're outside. We're gonna go check out the page.
Why
they
me
post
I
you steadily.
Coley say I 2 days short episode they do music. But Coley allow me and Coley don't write some of his songs. We write them together. Okay. So he give me that belief. Come studio, I go record you. Don't feel like you can't do. So he they support me. So even auditioning this year, Naija, I don't audition.
Oh wow!
And the day why they go audition, why I for request from my papa or my crew.
Yeah.
But then why they go audition, I did traffic for 4 hours and I get just 30 minutes. This guy, artist to get videos, enter bike.
Wow, mad.
He enter Okada, not even disguise.
Oh, I see this.
All the way, come meet me. Come carry my car for me, go drop him from my house and I can't go to audition. So I believe say I owe it to him like they always tell me say when you reach this one down I owe it to him like my year review from him out because now one person will life to me. Okay. And so we be.
Okay.
All right, before we come to Maxi, how much you actually win for all those ones? Because some people they say 20 million, some people 25, they say 25.
I did say 25, they say 16. I know.
You don't know how much you win yourself.
But I know again one time where I lost count. When I did the house, I remember to like 7 point something or I think like person they asked me that time 8 point something. Okay. The people I can't lose count because I know can they win again. But
so
I know
if people that cheat you for money now when you
no,
win,
I know say every time the way they ask me, they tell me say, oh, you there among you yes now you they win pass for that. They look say I lost count. Because I come as I hear this money, I be like if you rich, maybe now they estimate.
So you never do calculations since then?
I never do. I never
remember. Paper because 50%
I don't remember. I need to go watch everything. If I remember.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe come to
Maxi Odogu. Whitemoney. Who dey Willy.
At all.
First of all, congratulations on becoming the Big Brother Naija Season 6 winner. I not like give you. I think over the years or for the past 3 seasons, the moment every housemate enter house, we don't already know who get the potential to win now. Most of them are not they really know inside, and us outside don't know. And from the beginning, you become everybody favorite, like fan favorite you get. So I want really know, you go inside the house with full package strategy, or you just want be yourself, because later we'll get to find out, oh boy, this boy don't take for street too. He don't do this, he don't do that. I get person where we dey close, when they give me your rundown, you felt thought they make money, you come broke, you can't enter street, can't sleep. Like I want to know, like what be your idea when you enter the Big Brother Naija house?
Normal level. Based on saying
money don't enter, see voice.
No, not stress. No think I'm. Based on say I be street boy. And for a couple of years, I don't follow the show. We be fan of the show from Big Brother Africa from UT time. But I started auditioning from 4 years back. I they run the team, they run. I they watch them, they see the way they go. I know say the dynamics they change every year. You understand? So last year I came close. Me and Liquorose, Paul, we came close. We no enter. Then this year I come make her. When I enter there, that is me. You understand? But crossing those doors, when I can't see the guys where they're inside, here they are doings. They are doings. Literally everybody get masters and NNPC, DCC, PPP. all of them get everything. Here is this guy will be say he never ever enter plane before. He never do anything. He no know anything.
Well, you never enter plane before?
My first time entering the plane was.
Now the one that go Kano?
Yes.
Wow.
So people don't help you, bro.
Now the thing be say, now make I tell people say you mustn't go to school to learn. You go learn from life. You understand?
You get one of his saying, teacher. Teacher street teacher they pass enter school. When you are remind me of that.
I get too many sayings, you understand? But one be say person will go school do theory, where they for street now they do practical. You get it?
And that same street you go walk up pass or enter school.
Yeah. So when I enter, see the kind of personalities where the personality will hit me pass na Pere.
And you can't go to get friction with
that place. I can't like him. But you know that personality hit me. I was so proud. I was there in the house with someone like this. When everybody put their mind yarn. The only way me get now my business and my street level. Understand? So okay. If they go about and the educational way, me I go follow the street way they bypass. Understand? So based on say me I get my own talent, I might get my own skill. I say, guy, the only thing that can help you here, be yourself.
So Whitemoney, where your name take come from? That Whitemoney.
Now Holy Spirit give me that name because I get plenty names. I don't answer. So one day I just prayed. I said, God, I want a name that will stand out. I slept, believe it or not, and I woke up with that name on my mouth.
So you began money that time?
No, I was broke as.
Okay, broke.
Yes, I was very broke. But when I enter, go tell my boys, say, from today, start calling me.
They will boss laugh.
They're like, huh? Okay, you know, get back. I said, just
give me that boy name. What color? May check your account number now.
I get plenty boys. So as they begin calling me that name, the name can enter streets, come popular. The name don't go, but the person will get the name no blow.
go.
You understand? The name go, person will get name no blow. So I one day, so it was a struggle between my name and my personality.
At any point for the competition, if you see me, I did do the right thing, and somehow go end up as a winner.
The only time where the thing hit me, they say, okay, guy, be like, say, do something right now. When all the 6 day up and everybody go. So again, the way we they call ourselves Odogu. So as all of them go, as people Dogu. Go, and the Odogu for a few hours. When Pere and Angel marinates come back, I say, oh boy, come on, you go, leave me for Odo. I can say, okay, this one don't enter. Now that time the thing changed. That was the only time I felt safe. So me no say I did get that kind of love for outside. I had no idea.
Okay, coming to you and
now wait, I want to talk the triangle. Queen. You, Jackie B, and Queen. Maybe to take the 3 together.
No, Jackie B not did the picture.
You not did the picture. Yours Queen. Now I just see for your interview before now where you they try make and declare say you don't tell Queen say you know they're emotionally attracted to her, but you don't know waiting the future actually hold. Waiting really, because at a point when I'm not gonna lie give you some people be like, oh, outside the house, these two will actually blend together. Now say that waiting Queen do inside the house, now you bring all about that change of mindset.
Me and Queen get very similar attractions.
Okay.
We love the same things, kitchen doings, everything, and Queen really helped me so much in that house. Her coming in was a blessing. I didn't say she come out like 3 or 4 weeks before that day, it will really affect me.
You. Wow.
But I think that 1 week I was able to cope because the numbers are less. You understand? So me and Queen, we did very, very alright. Just that we just wanted 2 different things at that point, of which I know they in there. I said, baby, no, I won't come outside. We'll go reason now.
So possibility this house will come outside right now.
Every possibility is open.
Because now you be the hottest. Now that babes go sit there when they feel hot past Queen.
The thing besides what time may be like this.
Otolo.
Money.
Equally, no, so I will get money fast.
When we don't settle down,
yeah.
Does they high too much? When we don't settle down, we go develop definitely good friendship because she's my person.
Because when Queen come here, you know, say make one revelation inside the house. Say when the people at the house, when I wait till they. I think about your self-esteem, wait till they bring your self-esteem come down. You thought, oh, some people don't laugh. You say, you guys, short journey.
Okay, yeah.
You guys. So when we ask Queen, say, okay, at any point, say you feel, say when this guy made this revelation, because Queen actually tell you, say, like a long journey.
Something like that.
Yes.
I don't know, but I can't remember.
But when we ask Queen, say, man, say your own the belly full, say you do okay with your own, say you ready deal with you if you come outside.
Yeah.
So I forget to ask another time. At any point, something really happen between us when you take confirm your this thing, say the belly full.
Normal level, all the old women who they dance with.
They measure her.
Even the girls who they dance with, everybody.
They measure.
As long as you don't they dance for woman back.
They go use that thing. You
must get her done now. So he must get a bulge. So maybe not from that place, but normally they be say she can't they hold my prick. They say, oh, how long?
Radio.
Oh my
John.
My Johnny Drew. Yeah. So now everyone teach me. I can't ask Angel say.
Wait till Angel measure everybody.
No, me call the ask Angel say Angel a street girl. Yeah. I say waiting be the name of person be say Johnny Drew just day. You know go day, but when he don't come, and then go so what? Yeah. So this thing there. She called the 7 now grower. So okay, bless now that place I did.
Okay, you did the category of grower.
You not gonna know say something there. When you come, I will be like, okay, waiting they happen. So now she clarified that one for me. Now she tell me.
Okay. All right, before now go, Pere, I want to ask you this question right now. Sorry. I don't know if you hear about the protest will go on when you're inside the house. When you and Angel before Big Brother come here now say make now go stay for that white room. So your patriots. I've been a patriot. Patriots. Yes, they protest, carry placard, where everybody say we no go agree justice for General Pere, blah blah blah, because of the fact say the vote maybe say you actually get they higher than that of Angel. So now maybe say you don't come out from the house, maybe say you don't know the truth, the reality of every. You feel at any point when after you don't come out say Big actually cheated you.
No, Big enough it cheats me now. Big enough it cheats me.
Because you know, so they say that people where they vote, your votes go count.
But if you say that because of your people protest, that mean they will carry you go back without they not decide the winner.
No, Biggie been get your own plan, and Biggie no fit cheats me. So
Okay.
Yeah, Biggie been get your own plan. Biggie no fit cheats me.
Okay. Anyway, sharp. For like continue this discussion, but time not the our side right now, not the friendly. So a quick one. Cross, I know you're a club guy, a whole lot. In fact, one lady said, people say me I collect your number.
But there's an older woman.
Now older woman, and you like older women?
I like women in general.
In general, I love that. You're open for every. What talking about?
Now my oga be that. Now my general, so I be lieutenant. So if I be a shower,
Jesus Christ,
what be that you idiot? Nonsense, man.
So I want to way forward for you right now, Cross.
Honestly, as you already said, just keep having fun. Show the world who I am. Show the world my story, and tell them who I am. The crossover thing, definitely doing it all over the city, all over the country.
Wow,
and also, outside the world, outside Africa as well.
Okay.
And my real estate.
Want to go to space?
Yeah, well, me and Saga can definitely take you out of space. But yeah, real estate, work with brands that want to work with me.
Hold on, come. You, Saga, and Angel can take out. I know, son.
Now those are normal.
Don't worry, we get our own.
Don't be like trees.
No, be 3 some.
Don't worry, you can have a 26 some. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just my fitness brand and everything. Just keep having a good time doing it.
So Liquor, you dey plan to continue to dance, or you want to retire and leave your guests?
No, my girls, when I went to the house, we drop song. Now they drop song. Where 3 of us do vibes. Yeah. So definitely my music. Do music, I'll do movies, drop my book, business. So then I want.
I get dancing school, the GGP.
Dancing school, no.
Yeah. I know they plan that kind of thing.
Dancing school. Yeah. No, we did that one day. That one day. But me and my girls. Yeah, that one day dancing school. I won't even get like dance studio for people like dancers when if you afford to pay and for dance session and all of that.
Question is, if they invite you now till they come for video visiting job, you'll still go.
No, we don't do videos again. No, we don't.
We never stop video visiting.
Now social media we do. We don't stop this art performance.
Okay.
So basically, music, movies, business, and I won't get my degree. You know, say I finished, now carry over. And then I give myself, so I won't get my degree. Then I won't put my salon and I won't release my book. But business, not the major thing.
Nice.
Mado, more come Emmanuel before we reach Odogu. Emmanuel, which way forward right now? What is the next?
So basically, before I be inside the house,
yeah,
one or two things where they run for me.
Okay.
I get my salon and spa.
Oh, salon and spa.
That's
wow.
I get my salon and spa. That be the hair lab for PH. I will get my fitness center body lab.
Okay. For PH too.
For PH right now.
Okay. So you didn't relocate to Lagos?
Yeah, they come to that. So of course I be model and a lifestyle for me. So now I love to do. That's one good to go on.
Okay.
And for my businesses, I go expand. I go explore. So I plan move on to various parts for Nigeria and even across Africa.
Mad.
And then I did into real estate as well. So that one go actually be one of the primary things so I go invest in right now. And of course my charity program, they give back to society. Because even before I come into Big Brother, I be pageant king. So one of my passion now to give back to the society.
Okay, so you set up foundation to actually give back.
The foundation there already, but with the platform now, I go to do more things.
Do more, okay.
Yeah, any opportunity will come, I will just grab them.
So una two just talk now, not plan to settle down.
Okay, everything.
Liquor, not plan to settle down.
When money day, love go day. So.
But Liquor don't get money already now.
The love go day sweeter basically. So make it.
We need to use this platform now and we gather things. No rush, slow touch.
Okay. Right. So Angel, what's next for you personally? 21 years, Abby.
Yeah, I'm 21.
Oh wow, you get a lot for your front, but you don't get plenty experience. So I want to know right now, what do you want to use those experience to do?
I want to start mental health blog because I know things in conversation where we hide,
we don't talk about
it gets a lot of stigma where they attached to them. So yeah, basically I want to start a mental health blog where people go feel they comfortable to talk
discuss,
about it. And with that starting, it means that I also want to do a mental health charity thing. So people go they donate to the cause. Then I go they find people who need help because mental health
to reach out to them.
So I go reach out to them, pay for their
like giving out for therapy and the rest.
At the drugs. I also want to go into real estate. So I won't get my own apartment complex and be the landlady as I'm supposed to be.
Oh wow, mad though.
So I also want to do salon and spa. I have a book launch. It go either be this year or next year. So my book done already they complete. So I'm launching my book. I plan on going to film school as well because I want to create film. So I'm going to that should be after all like the dust dies down. I don't know if I don't already talk about my salon and spa. Also
for Lagos,
Lagos and Abuja. Then also I won't be an art curator. So I'm looking at opening like an art, basically like an art studio. So I won't make youths they come. Put their arts for the studio. People go by there and go give me my own commission.
And they will still make money for themselves.
They will make money for themselves, basically giving back to the youth. So I have just call me business tycoon. You know the vibes.
Okay, no problem, General.
Yeah.
You dey go back to US go meet your girlfriend. I be your girlfriend in Nigeria already.
No, my girlfriend in America. Okay. But we did talk and definitely I will go back.
But you okay with everything you do?
Absolutely.
Okay.
That girl don't support me now. From day one, even before this one.
But wait, you get visa?
If I get visa,
you get visa.
I'll be American citizen.
Okay. I just want the 100% sure because you said the girl don't support and where you get. Okay. So what will be next for you, bro?
So Nollywood, as always, making more movies, being on set. I want to work with all the big names.
Okay.
Big producers like Moa Budu.
But you don't the act already now.
I be done the act, but not on a bigger level.
Okay. You want to take them by storm?
Then of course music. Okay. I won't start to really sing. I abandoned my music career for.
But wait, you then related to Ginny?
Ginny is my good guy and my very
because
good friend.
Because at the point when you enter, people say now look alike.
Yeah, they don't talk that thing. Even the time when me and Ginny they worked for Sound City that time.
Okay.
Okay. So just Nollywood.
Nollywood and music.
You know they go back to serve for army.
No, I don't finish with that one.
Okay, no problem.
And then I'm open to brand endorsements, all these other things, working with brands and different things. Yeah, the list is endless. But
Dogu. Yeah. Waiting be next for Dogu one right now.
Now to double my otami money.
Oh, lily.
Yes, business and entertainment. I'm open to all the things that has to do with the cameras. Then I want to double my money.
Like movies, Nollywood, right? You mean?
I'll do Nollywood, Bollywood, or the wood. Yes, I can do it.
Okay.
Through Christ that strengthens me. Yes, I'll do it. Then my business is I had several things going on, so I just expand them on a larger scale. I'm open to business, endorsement, whatever, collaboration, entertainment. I'm down. Okay. Yes, I can even take your work from you.
No, Nadia will get problem. You will get problem for diarrhea.
No, you're calling me that.
No problem. Anyway, big thank you to every one of una. Una be all winners. We wish you more success on your new journey, and certainly we'll pay attention to every doings when I want to away from now. Seriously, I know say a lot of people they wait for the reunion.
I go drop single before the end.
You want drop single too?
Yeah. I can sing too. So, you know, I go drop that in the word.
Oh yeah. No.
Maybe I go drop my single. Me and Liquorose.
Cross, you want
wait for my EP, guys.
By the way, me and Ajibota has something coming. Feeling funky coming out soon.
Oh wow, mad. No problem. Thank you very much, Una Branch and Jar FM. Today we wish you more success on top of our doings.